This is Pete with Auto Repair Tips. I'm working on the 06 Ford Expedition. The customer here is rear brake noise. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. The reason why customer was hearing brake noise is he put the brakes on at home by himself. The brakes are nice and fat. They look good. Good thickness on them. But what he didn't look at was the rotors. The rotors are gouged all up and below minimum thickness that's allowed this way. Okay, and there's a big edge in here. So what was happening was when he was driving the vehicle and applied the brakes, the rotors were heating up, causing the noise. What you need to do to get the caliper off, here are the tools required. 7mm Allen head, wrench, 3/8 ratchet, screwdriver. To remove the caliper, there's two plugs, plastic plugs, and they're right in the back of the caliper, right there. One there and one there. And then what you're going to do is you're going to get your 7mm Allen head, okay, and it's going to come out just like that. Take it out. Then you'll use your screwdriver. After you remove that, you're going to take the caliper off like that. Then there's two bolts in the back here. This is called the caliper bracket, and it's going to have two 18mm bolts. The tools required to take that off is an 18mm wrench. There you go. What you're going to do is give the rotor a tug. It should come off. If you get stuck, this is the fun part. Hammer, and you beat it, and it loosens it up and it comes right off. Just remember though, never hit a rotor that you're going to reuse. This is trash. This is the part number to the rotors. This is the part number to the brakes. These are the rear pads. Alright, what you got to do is, there's a piston right here. You need to depress that piston. Easy way to do it, get a used brake pad, stick it right there. C-clamp vise, stick it like that, crank it on down. That's how we get the caliper bracket, get it back in place. set the brakes in place. Like that. Slide the caliper over it like that. Get your slides. Gonna get a little bit of anti-seize. Stick it on here. Get your plugs. Keeps the dirt and dust and water out. There you have it. Took care of his brake noise. Nice new rotors. Brakes all installed. Make sure when you if you put brakes on and you get in the vehicle, make sure before you put it in gear, you depress the brake pedal 2 or 3 times to pump it back up. Because when you shove the pistons back in, look how loose this is. This caliper is here, see it? Look how loose the brakes are. If you didn't do that and you put it in gear and took off and hit the brakes, you would run in the back of somebody or your garage or wherever you did it at. So make sure you depress the brake pedal. And this is Pete again with Auto Repair Tips. And I will get another video out to you soon.